accent to speak more clearly, you need to be able to pronounce words such as banana, bakery, behavior correctly in English. In this video lesson, I will teach you how to better pronounce words starting with the letter B to speak more clearly so that you are more confidently when speaking in English. Now, if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name's Adriana from EnglishTeacherAdriana.com. I help English learners improve their English, boost their confidence to finally speak English confidently. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. Guys, in this video lesson, there will be a lot of shadowing practice. So I'll be saying various words, various sentences out loud, and you are required to listen and to repeat out loud so that you can practice speaking, practice saying these words so that you can speak more clearly and confidently in English. Go and find yourself a quiet spot, somewhere you feel comfortable speaking, shadowing, so you can better follow this lesson, and let's start to improve your accent so that you can speak more clearly in English. Now the first word we'll begin with is the word baby. Baby, baby, baby. For example, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Baby. 2, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. For example, did she call for backup? Did she call for backup? Back up, back up. 3, bacon, 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 bacon. For example, I'll have eggs and bacon for breakfast. I'll have eggs and bacon for breakfast. Bacon, bacon. 4, balloon, 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 balloon. For example, did you buy me the balloon I wanted? Did you buy me the balloon I wanted? Balloon, balloon. 5, baseball, baseball. For example, the baseball match has started. The baseball match has started. Baseball, baseball. 6, basket, 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 basket. For example, place a basket over there. Place a basket over there. Basket, basket. 7, because, because, because. For example, she said because she felt like it. She said because she felt like it. Because. 8, bedroom, bedroom. For example, turn the light off in the bedroom. Turn the light off in the bedroom. Bedroom. 9, bedtime. Bedtime. For example, what time is her bedtime? What time is her bedtime? Bedtime. 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 10, battery. 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 For example, my battery died. My battery died. Battery, battery. 11, beginner, 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 beginner. For example, she's a beginner. She's a beginner, beginner, beginner. 12, beginning, beginning. For example, the beginning is always the worst. The beginning is always the worst. Beginning, beginning. 13, behavior, 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 behavior. For example, she's on her best behavior. She's on her best behavior, behavior. 14, benefit, 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 benefit. For example, what's a benefit of your proposal? What's a benefit of your proposal? Benefit, benefit. 15, baking powder. Baking powder, baking powder, baking powder. For example, can you pass me the baking powder? Can you pass me the baking powder? Baking powder, baking powder. 16, baking soda, baking soda, baking soda, baking soda. For example, please buy some baking soda. Please buy some baking soda. Baking soda, baking soda. 17, beneficial, 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 beneficial. For example, is it beneficial? Is it beneficial? Beneficial. 18. Biography, 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 biography. For example, let's read the biography. Let's read the biography. Biography, biography. 19. Biologist, 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 biologist. For example, she is a marine biologist. She is a marine biologist. Biologist. 20. Biology, 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 biology. For example, do you like biology? Do you like biology? Biology, biology. 21. Bakery, 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 bakery. For example, what time does a bakery open? What time does a bakery open? 22. Banana, 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 banana. For example, do you have a banana? Do you have a banana? Banana. 23. Beverage, 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 beverage. For example, what's your favorite beverage? What's your favorite beverage? Beverage, beverage. Remember guys that practice makes perfect. Make sure to watch this video lesson a few times. Use and apply the shadowing technique to help you improve your pronunciation and to speak more clearly in English. If you found this video lesson useful, please do let me know by smashing that like button. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so that you know, get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. If you'd like to continue learning with me, make sure to download my free audio guide where I share with you exactly what you need to be doing every single day to drastically improve your confidence speaking in English. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson. Bye for now.